I heard a whisper behind me. There is nobody here. The gate moved by itself. That is very scary. I saw a shadow near the grave. Don't go there! The old house looks alive. I feel afraid. Did you see that face? Yes, I saw it. The door opened slowly. Nobody touched it. There is a strange sound in the wall. I don't like it. Something is watching us. I can feel it. I heard footsteps upstairs. Let's stay together. Look at the broken window. Something moved there. The room feels very cold. I am shaking. A black shadow passed by. Where did it go? The light went out again. I cannot see anything. There is someone in the hallway! Run quickly! The mirror looks strange. I saw a face in it. Did you hear that scream? Yes, it came from outside. The graveyard is very quiet. That makes it worse. I saw red eyes in the dark. They are looking at us. Something touched my arm. Don't leave me! The stairs are moving. That is impossible. There is a figure behind the tree. It is coming closer. The house does not want us here. Let's get out! The whisper is getting louder. Cover your ears! The front gate is closed! We are trapped! I think the ghost is here. Don't look behind you!